These AI skeleton videos are absolutely everywhere right now. We're talking millions of views across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm making them in about 15 minutes, and then how you can charge health and fitness businesses $1,000 a month to post this kind of viral content for them. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month, we generated over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue, roughly 300 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. We create all kinds of social media content for small businesses. And right now, this skeleton fitness content is one of the easiest niches to sell because these videos go viral almost every single time. Let's get into it, starting with chapter 1. How to make viral AI skeleton videos. I've been testing this workflow and it's honestly kind of wild how good the results are. You're basically going to use a custom GPT I built to generate all your image prompts, video prompts, and even a voiceover script in one shot. Then you take all of that over to OpenArt and 11 Labs and you've got a complete video ready to post. The final product looks like a real animated skeleton character doing gym exercises, giving health tips, stretching, all that. And people absolutely love these. The algorithm pushes them like crazy because they're eye-catching, weird in the best way, and super shareable. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1, use the custom GPT first. I built a custom GPT that does all the heavy lifting for you. I'll put the link in the description below so you can use it for free. Go ahead and open it up and click start. The GPT is going to ask you what niche you want to create videos for. It gives you a list of options like fitness, chiropractic, physical therapy, nutrition, mental health, yoga, and more. You can pick a number from the list or type in your own niche. For this example, I'm going to go with fitness. Then it's going to suggest some video ideas for you. Things like 5 stretches you're doing wrong or what happens to your joints when you skip warm-ups. Again, pick one from the list or type your own idea. I'm going to go with one of the suggestions it gives me. And now here's where the magic happens. The GPT generates everything you need, all 6 image prompts, all 6 video prompts, and a complete voiceover script, all customized to the video idea you picked. You'd normally spend an hour coming up with all this stuff. The GPT does it in about 10 seconds. Step 2, create your reference skeleton. Now I'm gonna head over to my favorite all-in-one AI tool right now called OpenArt. Link is in the description. This is what we're gonna use to create all of our images and videos. First, I need to create my skeleton character. I'm gonna select create image, then choose the Nano Banana Pro model. Then I'm going to use this prompt, a 3D render of an anatomically detailed skeleton wearing a red headband and a translucent bodysuit standing in a brightly lit gym. The skeleton has prominent eyes and a smile, facing forward with out of focus exercise equipment in the background. I selected the size, bumped up the quality, asked for 2 images, and clicked generate. After a couple of minutes, I got these 2 skeleton images, and they look incredible. This 3D skeleton character with a red headband standing in a gym. It's got personality, it's got style, and it's gonna be the star of every video. I'm gonna pick one of these as my reference image. Step 3, generate all 6 scene images. Now I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt from the GPT. Then head back to OpenArt, paste it in, and generate 1 image this time. And here's what I got. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the next 5 image prompts. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it into OpenArt, generate, rinse and repeat until all 6 images are done. Now I've got 6 images of my skeleton character in different scenes. Each one tells a different part of the story, and these are gonna be the foundation of our entire video. Step 4, turn the images into videos. This is the part that blew my mind the first time I did it. Now I'm gonna go to the video section in OpenArt and select the Kling 2.6 model. I'm going to upload the first image we created, then go back to ChatGPT and grab the first video prompt. I'm gonna turn off audio since we'll be adding our own voiceover later, select the quality and click generate. And I got this video back, which is excellent. The skeleton is actually moving. It looks like a real animated character. It's smooth, it's dynamic, and it looks like something a professional studio would make. I'm going to follow this exact same process for each of the remaining 5 images. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, upload the corresponding image, and click generate. And now I have all 6 videos completed. 6 smooth, professional looking clips of our skeleton character. Each one a different scene, each one ready to be stitched together into a viral video. Step 5, let's add the voice. Now we need a voiceover, and for this, I'm going to use 11 Labs. What you are going to do is head over to their text-to-speech tool, select a voice that fits the vibe of your video. I like something energetic and clear for fitness content. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script that the GPT generated for you. Paste it into 11 Labs and click generate. In about 30 seconds, you've got a professional sounding voiceover ready to go. Step 6, compile the final video. Now here's the last step. Download all 6 videos in the voiceover. Then open up a free video editor, something like CapCut, Canva, or whatever video editor you've got on your computer. Drop in all 6 video clips in order, lay the voiceover track underneath, add some transitions between the clips, throw in some dramatic or upbeat background music, and you're done. You might need to speed up the audio slightly or trim some clips to get the pacing just right. But that's it. Now here's my final output. As a doctor, here's the easiest nutrition tip. Build every meal around protein first. Protein helps you stay full longer and keeps energy more stable through the day. That whole thing took about 15 minutes. And it looks like something you'd see with millions of views on your For You page, because that's exactly where videos like this end up. Chapter 2, why health businesses will pay you $1,000 a month for creating videos. Here's the thing. Health and fitness businesses like chiropractors, personal trainers, gyms, physical therapists, dentists, they are all desperate for content right now. They know they need to be posting on social media, but they either don't have the time, don't know how, or they're posting blurry mirror selfies that get 12 likes. Meanwhile, these skeleton videos are absolutely dominating the health and fitness space on social media. Go search skeleton health on TikTok or Instagram right now. Look at the view counts. We're talking hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of views on accounts that aren't even that big. And here's why these work so well. They stop the scroll. When someone is scrolling through their feed and they see a skeleton with a headband doing deadlifts, they can't not watch it. It's unexpected, it's entertaining, and it's educational at the same time. That's the viral trifecta. Now here's why this matters for the business owner. When someone watches one of these videos all the way through and then sees it was posted by a local chiropractor or a personal trainer, that business just got a warm lead without spending a dime on ads. If these videos get them even 1 or 2 new clients a month, that's thousands of dollars in revenue, and you're charging them $1,000 a month. It's a no-brainer for them because the ROI is insane. And for you, once you've got the workflow down, you can pump out a week's worth of content in a single afternoon. Chapter 3. How to turn this into a real business using high level. So making the videos is only half the equation. If you want to turn this into a real business that scales, you need a system to manage your clients, schedule their content, and capture the leads that come in from all these viral videos. That's where high level comes in. High level is what I use to manage our entire agency and all of our clients. And here's why it's perfect for this. Inside high level, you can create what's called a sub account for each client. So let's say you sign a personal trainer named Mike. You go into your agency dashboard, click sub accounts, hit create sub account, and fill in his business info. Now Mike has his own separate workspace, his own contacts, calendar, everything, completely separate from your other clients. Inside that sub account, you go to marketing, then social planner. You connect their Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever platforms they're on. And now you can schedule and publish all those skeleton videos directly from high level. No separate scheduling tool, it's all built in. You upload the videos, write the captions, schedule them to post 3 to 5 times a week, and that's the whole service. But it doesn't stop there. You can also build them a landing page right inside high level. They've got an AI website builder where you can type a description of what you want and it builds the page for you. So you type something like landing page for a personal trainer specializing in strength training in Austin, Texas, and it generates the whole thing. Headlines, images, contact form, everything. And that landing page connects directly to their CRM. So every lead that comes in goes straight into their contact list. And then here's the part that'll really impress them. You can set up an AI voice agent inside high level that answers the phone for them. So when someone sees that viral skeleton video, clicks the link in bio, goes to the landing page and calls the number, that AI picks up. It sounds like a real person. It asks them what they're looking for, what their goals are, and books them directly onto the trainer's calendar. The business owner doesn't have to lift a finger. So think about what you're offering. Viral content that gets millions of views, a landing page that captures leads, an AI agent that books appointments, all managed from one platform, all for $1,000 a month. That's an incredible deal for a fitness business. And for you, once it's set up, it takes maybe 4 to 5 hours a week to manage. By the way, if you want to try out high level for yourself, you can use my link in the description below. When you sign up, you also get access to my full AI business blueprint course that walks through business models like this. Shameless plug, but it'd mean a lot if you used it. So at this point, you know how to make these viral skeleton videos, you know why health businesses will pay you $1,000 a month for them, and you know how to manage everything from one platform. But none of that matters if you don't have clients. And that's the part that trips most people up. They learn how to make the content, they get excited, and then they sit there wondering, how do I actually find business owners who will pay me for this. That's exactly why I made a full separate video that walks you through the entire client getting process from start to finish. I'm talking about how to use AI to find leads in minutes, the exact outreach messages that actually get replies, how to follow up when people don't respond, how to close the deal on a call, and how to get the contract signed and the money in your account. I even show you how to clone the business owner themselves using AI. So instead of just skeleton videos, you can make it look like the actual business owner is on camera giving tips without them ever recording a single thing. That takes your offer to a completely different level. And the best part is everything I show you in that video works hand in hand with what you just learned here. You make the skeleton videos using this workflow, and then you use that video to learn how to find the clients who will pay you for them. It's coming up right now. Go watch it next, and I'll see you over there.